There's a view of Kampot at night. New building over there in the background. And all these boats lined up over there. They take you for a cruise up the river at night time. All lit up nicely. I just had more heavy rain. And this is the road out of where I'm staying. Up. Not draining very well. Hey, hey. Oh, it's just starting to rain again. Jeez. Go back home. Yep. Yeah, that's what happens. The drains don't work too good and she all backs up every time we get heavy rain. Wait till it stops again. Or I go out again next time, I think. Try again later. Jeez. Sun was shining, it was too hot earlier. Now it won't stop raining. Again, non-stop. Ooh, pouring down. Makes it hard to get out and do anything. Want to go to the shop, but I'm not going out on this. Been hanging in for a while now. We'll wait a bit longer. So here we are, sun's shining for a change, and I haven't been able to get out much lately because of the sun, at least the rain's been pouring down. A bit of sunshine now, I don't know how long it's going to last. I'm just going to get down the road and show you this bird farm. You can hear it from here. That's it over there, that big building. If you can see over there, that's a whole empty building full of birds. If you can hear them, I'll go closer and you'll be able to hear them. Never been in one of these buildings. They're everywhere. Some of them are a lot bigger than this one. I mean, that could be 2 or 3 houses easily if it was fitted out inside, but they just put presume they put floors in there and nothing else, and it's just left for the birds. Swallows build their nests out of a lot of spit, and the Chinese pay 1,500 to 2,000 a kilo for it. Hear them? You can hear them in there. And now they go quiet while I'm here. Yeah, I've seen ones twice the height of that. You can hear the birds, young birds squawking for food. And swallows come in, thousands of them. So there obviously must be good money in it. Bird's nest soup, even though it's all spit. Swallow spit. Swift swallow, whatever you want to call them. Looks like someone lives below. Yeah, they do. They live on the ground floor, and the rest of it's massive bird's nest. The pink Porsche Cayenne again. yucky. There's a big pond just behind where I'm staying, full of water lilies and stuff. Looks good. Fish in there too, I think, and rubbish. Altar. Yeah, well, only a couple of days left and I'm out of here. I'll catch the bus on Sunday. Back up to Phnom Penh, and then early the next morning, flight over to Saigon with a connection to Brisbane. And then the following morning, another flight from Brisbane to Bundy and back home on Wednesday morning. So not long to go now. Ooh. Woman doing some painting a fence over there. Looks good. This big hotel here, I'm pretty sure it was empty when I was here last, a few years ago. Still empty. Must be very close to being finished. Got a sign up there, hotel for rent. Top spot right on the river. Nothing seems to be happening too much. Front door's open. Low ceiling down below, all the rooms above. Business opportunity for someone, possibly. Fairly big, got a fair few rooms. We have a big government building in really nice shape. Looks like it's just been painted. Another government building there and another one further down. This one looks better when the sun's on it in the afternoon. That's a museum. Really, I didn't know that. I'll come back and have a look later. There's a museum. What time open? 10 o'clock.
What?
Finish?
COVID.
Yeah? COVID? Oh.